Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out Marina Food Hall Buffet. Marina Food Hall is located at 5th Street View Marina 1 Level 2. I chanced upon this affordable buffet and decided to try out the food with my friend Carrie. This buffet serves live oysters, snow crab legs and abalones for dinner daily. For $36 plus, which is approximately 45 Singapore dollars, it seems like the buffet is a pretty good value for money. So the first thing you notice here is the vibe. It's bright, lively and modern. For diners who arrive during peak hours, I will highly suggest that you reserve your table beforehand. Now, I came to Marina Food Hall earlier than expected, and there is not many people seated in the restaurant yet.
So I have a time limit, only 2 hours, huh?
Okay.
Thank you very much. For 2 person?
Oh, you pay first.
I'm not sure if Marina Food Hall had many people who dine and dash, but the staff required diners to pay first, which I thought was a little odd. The common practice will be for diners to pay after their meals, so the restaurant will be able to charge them for wastage.
Oh, look at the food. You got fresh fruits, pancakes. What is this? Soup. Oh, vegetables. Yeah, black fungus soup.
It's actually a dessert.
Oh, dessert. Okay.
Because it takes time to boil.
Sure. Okay. So what?
So we have herbal soup, tonkatsu soup, and tom yum.
Which one do you want? You prefer? Have any preference?
Not much, you choose.
Tonkatsu, please.
Tonkatsu.
All right. Thank you. Oh, look at that. The spread. The food. Quite a lot of food that's already cooked. Oh, some chili crab, flower crabs. Oh, look at that. Oyster. Oh, look. And then look at this. They have sushi. It's all you can eat buffet. And some condiments. Oh, and look at that. Fresh seafood. And finally this. Oh, and there's the teppanyaki also. The teppanyaki meat. All the meat. DIY noodle station. And this fried food. And I guess this station is not available.
I definitely had my fill of oysters, and I have to say a $45 buffet is pretty good value. What are your thoughts? Are you gonna try Marina Food Hall Buffet? Leave your comments below.